I think a lot of teams are struggling with understanding that their contribution matters. And from that point of view, they often feel blocked or hindered from contributing. They don't know where their power and edge lies. They don't know how to contribute. And I think sometimes management is such a tough job, is to try and get everybody's contribution together in a way that makes sense around the purpose of the team. So typically, that's where most teams sort of find themselves. And they have self-limiting beliefs around what is possible, or who can contribute and how they can contribute, and the impact they can make if they get this thing right. And I think the value of the strength-based approach, remembering we always start with self-awareness, is what can I bring to the party? Is that valuable? 9 times out of 10, it's extremely valuable. How can that help others in a way that makes sense to them? The collaboration bit. Then the third one is, where does our excellence lie? Often we have pockets of excellence and potential blind spots. How do we navigate that? And then how do we put all of this together in a way that can take this forward together?